guys, welcome back. It's Stella, and in today's video I'm just gonna be doing a quick review of this baby right here, and I'm gonna be showing you a drugstore haul for makeup products and things that you will all like, so stay tuned. Guys, and welcome back. It is Stella, and in today's video I'm gonna be testing out a very high rated product, and it's also drugstore for sure. It's this Maybelline Fit foundation. I literally tried to get my hands on this for so long, but I couldn't find the right shade for my skin tone, so I'm so pretty glad I did find it in a store here in Greece, because until now every other shade was kind of pinkies and didn't suit at all my yellow undertone, if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell with these bright lights, but anyway, my undertone is yellow and nothing pink ever suits me. So this series had lots of pinkish tones, and oh no!
Sorry, I can't do that because I can't find music on your iPhone, but you can restore it from the App Store.
Yay, Siri, I didn't mean to call you. Sorry. Bye-bye. Anyway, I'm not exactly sure of what I said that triggered her, but I'm gonna be testing this one out, and I'm gonna be doing the rest of my makeup off camera probably, and then I'm gonna be showing you a huge drugstore products haul, and let's get it started. Before we begin, have you grabbed your coffee, tea, water, or other beverage? This is how I get the day started. Pour some coffee, put some makeup on, and conquer the world. For this application, I'm also going to be using some new sponges that I got. These look extremely elegant and, let's say, not cheap. Otherwise, they are cheap. And they cost around $3 or $4 for both of them. So I'm pretty sure they're a dupe of something, which I'm not aware of what the dupe is. But they look elegant and expensive, and sorry for the noise, they're not. So yeah, we'll try this out so that we know if we can find cheap sponges. Yeah. It didn't expand at all. I've dumped in this one too so that it doesn't absorb the product, and my face is bare. I just have my lashes on, the lash extensions. I have done a recent video on it. You might want to check it out, and you're probably gonna see me for 1 or 2 videos with the eyelash extensions, but other than that, I think I'm gonna go back to falsies again, just because I can't put mascara deep in there, just like the way I want to do. So yeah, anyway, they look gorgeous still. I have them on for a week until now, I think, and looking good, staying in place. So let's just see. It comes sealed. That's the color. It has no smell at all, and this is extremely pleasing. Let's just see. Can you say anything? Okay, I feel like the sponge doesn't do this justice, so I'm just gonna pour some more onto my hand and just use a regular, let's say, brush. This foundation brush. Oh, I think this looks better already. Okay, so I'm having here the Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm just rolling. I think I want to get my fingers later. And I will probably do this the next time I'm putting this on. It needs more product. It doesn't cover much of the space. But the color suits me wonderfully. Okay, so for the sake of my needs, I'm gonna just be putting this on with my fingers and see how the coverage is. Oh wow! Hey, black circles and a bit of mascara. Go away. Okay. Wow! Wow! I mean, really, like, it has covered all the redness. It looks good in person, and it also has blended out perfectly with the rest of the makeup. It's a miracle. So this is very pleasing for me. It is. It is. And I also want to see if it's buildable or not. So I'm just putting some more onto my hand and just taking the sponge now and covering my under eyes here. My cheeks, I would say. I feel like it's working and it's so affordable that I'm so happy. Let's see what it will do to this guy here. Didn't cover it that much. Let's see if we can get some more. No, I feel like it's medium coverage. Let's see about this red dot I have here. This? Okay. Alright. So let me get the rest of my makeup done and I will be right back to you to show you what I've got from drugstore products and which I will use. Anyway, I'm pretty hyped right now. I'm so sorry. Let's just sign off for a bit and I will see you in a bit.
Alright, so now that I have my makeup on and I'm pretty set to go, let me just show you some of the products that I got and which I used already to do this makeup. First, drugstore products bag. Sorry for the noise, I know I'm so disturbing. And I have a black mask to do in another video in front of the camera for sure so that you know what it does and if it's worth buying. And of course, one of my favorite things is take care of my teeth and keep them as white as possible. So I found this one. It had quite a good price, so I just grabbed it. And let's see, I can test it on camera, I guess. Let's just see. Haven't tried this before. I have never tried a whitening pen, to tell you the truth. This looks so good. Look at this. I guess you shake it. Yeah. So, and then you press it or something like that. It's totally dry. Can this be broken? Oh god, I feel so down. Click, touch, and smile. Guys, this doesn't get any product out. That's crazy. Okay, I got something. Okay, let's just do it on camera. This kind of bleaches. I think I can see results. Ain't crazy. I literally don't know how to use this. I'm just gonna quickly brush off any of this white film and just going back. Oh my god, you guys, this was the biggest failure. It was the worst thing to do after having done your makeup, and I'm sorry, but I didn't see this had instructions in it. So it felt like a film of white liquid that just was stuck onto my teeth, but it also stuck onto my gums, and this was not good in any way. So I don't know if I'm trying this again. So guys, of course I need to start with the best stuff first. And these are some things I get from Catrice. It's a holographic highlighter and it's so pretty. I'm just gonna swatch it here for you. And I have also used this onto my cheeks and my inner corner. Just like that. What? This is from this stuff. This is the color it gives your teeth. Oh my god, it doesn't come off. So just, that's the swatch. I feel it looks so great. So gorgeous for summer. And I also get this primer that is for pore filling. I hope it does a good job because I haven't tested this yet. And I have this lipstick that I just wore on this look. It smells amazingly. Oh boy. It has the logo right here. Just use this now. And I also got another thing from Catrice. The last one is this eyebrow pencil. Super precise, if you can see. And with a spoolie right here so that you can brush them eyebrows, girl. I get some nail products. I also get this nail polish from Essence. It's this one. It doesn't catch your eye, right? And look at the price tag. I mean, $1.59. I also got some other nail polishes just because I love doing my nails so much. Some more nail polishes. That's a matte coat, that's a gloss coat, and that's just a regular nail polish. So from the store that I bought the Maybelline foundation, I also got this palette right here. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. I will not swatch it right now. You see, I'm filming on my iPhone. I will not swatch this one right now just because I'm keeping it for a whole tutorial on this one. It's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills subculture. Just keep that in mind. We will test this and see if it's good or not. And also from W7, I got this palette right here. This is also amazing. Just look at that. Oh, so many glitters and so many mattes. Let's see what else I got. I also got these press-on nails that I thought were magnificent. Just look at them. I think they have the glue on them, so it's just a solution when you have nothing to work with and you just put them on there. What else? You guys, I went to NYX and I got their best-selling product, I guess. I got the high definition setting powder in translucent color. I got the Doll Eye mascara. I got this pretty basic warm toned palette. And I also got a contouring stick, which I used, this one, but I can say it didn't smell so well. Let's see if I can find it. It's this one right here. Yeah. NYX Wonder Stick Highlighted Contour Stick, and it did its job, but it just didn't smell that well. It smelled like it has expired, although it hasn't. What else, you guys? I got the sponges, which were pretty much a value, you could say, because they just absorb all the product. They did not expand at all, and they're just not that, they're kind of stiff. They do not expand, so they're just staying there. So what else? I have kind of a couple things more. Never where I need them to be. From this shop right here, I've never visited this before. It's called Flomar. I got this pretty big. I have just got this pretty mascara and this lipstick, which is this one. Just swatch it for you. Alrighty. And I feel that I could top my lips with this one too, right? Do you think it would match this? Let's see. It smells like candy floss. It smells amazing. It reminds me of all the lollipops I've ever had. This was good. So I think this was pretty much it. Did I show you the black mask? I'm gonna be testing this out on camera, of course. And what else? I guess this is it, you guys. So thank you guys so much for sticking around to see this whole haul, and I hope you like this. I will use every inch of these products on camera, of course, so that I can test it out and you can have your own opinion on them. And what else? I think this was the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I will be so happy to have you here, and just have a good one. Bye!